It's been almost 2 years since I posted how I sell my homemade furniture on Facebook Marketplace with a 100% success rate. There's a card above for you to check it out if you're interested. Now, some didn't believe the claim, but it was true despite the skepticism. It's now 2024, and the question is, does my system still produce positive results? Well, let's see. The last 2 videos I posted were building and altering this narrow console table. I put it up for sale on Facebook Marketplace, and here's the ad. I normally don't discuss prices as they will be different depending on the market where you're located. I show it here for a reason which I'll get to shortly. This table cost $25 in material and I listed it for $145. I posted the ad 3 days ago. There are a few things different from what I would normally do. I posted this ad on a Wednesday instead of the normal Friday afternoon. I'm advertising a new item that I've never tried selling before, and I changed the ad copy, which I'll show you coming up. Other than those, I followed the same procedure. Staged photos with various angles, posting the ad to multiple buy-sell groups in my area, and using the boost function on Facebook Marketplace. I paid $6 for 3 days. I received 5 messages, 3 with the typical "is this still available" question, 1 lowball offer of $90 which I didn't even respond to, and 1 this morning which led to this. A sale pending status after 667 clicks. My customer picked up the table a couple hours ago and I get to change the status to sold, continuing my 100% success rate. Earlier I said I'd talk about the price. Since it's sold so quickly, I'll probably start out with a higher price next time. If I don't get responses after a few days, I can always lower the price. Now here's the ad copy I used. My goal was not to try and sell, but rather to persuade the customer to act on what they already desired. They clicked on the ad for a reason. That gave me the chance to set the scene and describe how they would benefit from buying this piece. Now, I'm not sure if any one part of the ad held more influence than the others, but it was a successful transaction, and I get to keep claiming the 100% success rate, even if the haters don't believe it. Hope this helps inspire some of you to take action and give Facebook Marketplace a shot. Hey, thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you on the next video.